Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I will show you that how to fix if you can't turn off stolen device protection on your iPhone. So guys, if you are using iPhone or iPad or other iOS device, and when you try to turn off your stolen device protection, so you can't do this, in this video I will show you that how can you fix it. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, open your settings. Make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection. Check for software update, and you need to update your iPhone to latest iOS version, and now you have to go back. So guys, after this you have to scroll it below and click on Face ID and passcode. Here you need to enter your iPhone passcode, and guys, from here you have to reset your Face ID. When you have reset your Face ID, your Face ID will be removed from your iPhone, and automatically your stolen device protection will be turned off. So guys, this is the one way to turn off your stolen device protection. And if you can't do this, then you have to click on general, click on transfer or reset iPhone, click on reset, and you need to reset all settings, and after this your problem will be fixed. And guys, after this, if still not fix your problem, then you need to contact with your Apple support team, and you have to tell your problem, and they will respond to you and they will fix your problem. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.